Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to measure the distance between 2 points in Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Google Earth if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the file, we have the view option, add option, tools, and the help option. Also, we have the search bar where you can go and search for different locations. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and measure the distance between 2 points in Google Earth. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, open Google Earth on your computer, as I already told you. Then search for a place or select a location on the globe. So for instance, we have to go, of course, and click where we want to go. So we can search for a Walmart, for instance. It doesn't have to be. Okay, so then when you do here, click on measure on the left tool on the left. So then you just need to go and click measure, which is, as you can see here, measure distance and area. Click on there and click points on the map to measure distance and area. So basically you can then click here and then just click here and see what the distance of course is. And here, as you can see, you can click done, you can click undo, and X if you don't want to do anything with that, of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.